Welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 93 Ford Bronco, white with a blue cloth interior. This car is in great condition, awesome driver, very reliable. Definitely has that OJ look, but this is a dream. If you like these style cars and this year, this is yours. Interior's in great condition. It's got that blue kind of gray interior to it. Go ahead and open up the back. The window does work. And the latch back here is pretty easy as well. Sometimes they can get a little difficult. Let's go ahead and put this in here. On the back. Drops right down. We got some floor mats in there. Put that back up. Window goes up nice and smoothly. And the spare clicks right on. Let's hop into the driver's seat. Cluster looks good. Radio works, air blows cold. Absolutely fabulous, fabulous car. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, look under the hood, take her for a spin, and then put her up on the hoist. All right, got the Bronco here. Take it for a quick spin down the street. This car is just incredible, great reliable ride. The Bronco's just got it figured out. So smooth. Goes down the road nice and straight. It's been a very reliable car for us. This is an awesome ride. I mean, if you're looking for a Bronco in this year, this is yours. We'll do a quick turnaround, do one more takeoff with it. The turn radiuses on these things are really nice, which is kind of surprising for these cars, but they are really nice. All right, I'm gonna go throw it up on the lift. All right, got the Bronco up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Very, very strong, great underbody, clean. Swing around here. Beautiful ride. If you're looking for a Bronco, this is your car right here. If you have any questions or concerns, you'd like to see more, we could do a live FaceTime. Give us an email, give us a call. We'd love to see you drive off the lot in this. All right, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.